Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to be making a cocktail that combines the three best things in life: bourbon, maple, and bacon. Today we're going to be making the maple bourbon old fashioned. You're going to need Angostura bitters, pure maple syrup, and you can use either bourbon or rye whiskey for this cocktail. I'm choosing to use bourbon. This is going to be a stirred cocktail, so I have my stirring vessel, my stirring spoon, my jigger for accurate measurements, and then this is going to go in a rocks glass with a BFC. As always, the ingredients are going to be listed below, so make sure you follow along and make the cocktail with me. We're going to start off with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. I actually got it in the glass. Yay me. The little things in life. We're going to do 0.25 ounces of pure maple syrup. You can increase this if you would like to. However, your cocktail is going to continuously get sweeter as you add more. So we're going for more of the flavor profile rather than actual sweetness on this one. And then we are going to do 2 full ounces of our favorite bourbon and or rye whiskey. Then we're going to fill up our stirring vessel. And then we are going to stir for about 15 seconds until we get that dilution happening nicely with our ice. So we're going to dilute it about halfway from where we started. I apologize, I've been a little under the weather, hence the sniffle, sniffle, cough, cough. All right, let's see where we are. Just a little bit more here. You can always taste your cocktail. I highly recommend tasting your cocktail before you pour it out. Make sure that it's nice and balanced. Make sure that you've got a proper dilution going on. I sadly do not have a straw here at the moment, so I'm not going to be tasting it. I'm going to be winging it just a little bit. All right, so now that we have that dilution happening, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my BFC or get my BFC and put it into our glass here. I got a mini BFC. And then I'm going to use my julep strainer. Again, you can use a Hawthorne strainer if you don't feel comfortable using the julep strainer. I know it's a little bit more artistic looking. See if I don't mess this up. Beautiful. And then for my garnish, I have a delicious piece of candied bacon. Because who doesn't love maple, bourbon, and a little bit of bacon? And there she is, our maple bourbon old fashioned. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy what you like here, enjoy what you like here. Whoo, cough medicine's kicking in. All right, if you like the cocktails that I'm making, you enjoy seeing my gorgeous face every day, even if it's a little under the weather, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Until the next pour, cheers.